Okay, good morning guys. Today we're going to be installing this flock kit, which is basically a spray-on suede material that people have been putting on their dashes, but we're actually going to be putting it on our door panels because the previous owner had some vinyl fabric that was peeling, bubbling, and it was bright red. So we're going to go ahead and we order this kit online. First time trying it. Usually we just paint it or something, but we're here to learn something new. Figured I'd make a video of us trying it. So basically, it's off of a 95 Nissan Skyline right here. So, but anyways, here's our door panels. We went ahead and took them off, sanded it with, we actually used 180 grit sandpaper and acetoned all these huge, really adhesive bubble gum seal thing, whatever they used. It was really bad, so we did get a little bit too crazy, but I think this will fill in with the glue. So basically this is the glue that we have to roll on as fast as we can because I heard it's only a 5-minute working time. And basically here's the suede fibers, spray on suede fibers. Basically you load up this gun and just shoots out. Then we let it dry and we shake it off, shake all the excess fibers off, just like your old elementary school glitter projects, grown adult style. So I don't know, maybe this video will be a fail, maybe it won't, who knows, but here we are. Guys, did that turn out great or what? All we had to do was prep it very well, mask it, apply glue, apply the flock with the little gun, let it cure for like 2 days, and then peel off the tape and shake it off. And I'm beyond happy with the results. I wish I would have took a little bit more time in prepping. As you saw that slight little bubble in there. Man, I just didn't see it when I prepped it, but you can barely see it now. But overall, I'm very happy with it. If I tried to put fabric on it, I know it would have came out way worse. But overall, I'm very satisfied with the results. So I give it a 9.5 out of 10. I highly recommend it. I'll probably even do it for my future projects, make more videos, and get better at it, and it's a cool skill to have.